Did you know that you could multiply numbers by 11 in your head within seconds? Today I am going to show you an ancient Vedic math technique to do so, and it is so simple that you will never multiply numbers with 11 the usual way. For all numbers greater than 10, this method to multiply with 11 works like a charm. So let's take the number 54 as an example. To multiply it with 11, all you have to do is to copy the first and last digit. They become the first and last digit of your answer. So in this case, we copy 5 and we copy 4. And in between, we need to write the sum of these two digits. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and our answer is simply clubbing the three digits 594. Wasn't that simple? Let's try one more. Multiply 71 by 11. Write 7 as your first digit and 1 as your last digit. And in between, write the sum of these two digits. 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer is simply 781. So guys, did you notice? The steps are very easy. The first and last digit become the first and last digit of our answer. Then we write the sum of digits in between. And final step is to club everything that you have written to get your answer. Now let's try multiplying a three-digit number by 11. The number 435. Copy the first and last digits as the first and last digits of your answer. We write 4 and we write 5. Okay, now we need to write the sum of digits in between. Okay, just remember we need to sum up the digits in pairs. So first add the first two digits, 4 and 3, and write the sum after 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now add the next two digits, 3 and 5, and write the sum. 3 plus 5 is 8. We write 8. We get our answer by simply clubbing all the numbers that we have written. Our answer is 4785. 435 multiplied by 11 is 4785. Now you might be thinking, what if we get a number that is more than equal to 10 when we are summing the digits? No problem. Let's see how to work around that. Multiply 83 by 11. First we write 8 and 3 as the first and last digit. And in between we add 8 and 3 which is equal to 11. Just keep the units digit of 11 and take the tens digit carry over to the left and add to it. Add to 8. So this is how I write the carry on the bottom right. This means 1 is to be added to 8. And clubbing all the numbers, we get 913 as our final answer. So here is the rule. If the sum of digits is 10 or more than 10, just keep units digit and carry over 1, which is the tens digit of your sum, to the left. Let's try out a similar case of carry for a three-digit number. 276 multiplied by 11. We write 2 and 6 as our first and last digits. In between, we add 2 and 7 first and write 9. And then we add the next pair of digits, 7 and 6. The sum is 13. So we write 3 and take one carry to the left part of our answer. 29 plus the carry 1 is 30. So our answer is simply 3036. A very important tip here. If you have a carry, it will always be 1 because when we add two single digit numbers, their sum cannot exceed 18. 9 plus 9 is maximum, right? So with a little bit of practice, you can just increase the left part of your answer by 1 in case of carry and write down your final answer directly. Let's multiply 587 by 11. We write 5 as the first and 7 as the last digit. Then we add 5 and 8 and write their sum 13 in between. Next we add the next pair of digits 8 and 7 and write their sum 15. There are two carries. One from 15 goes as a carry to the left and one from 13 also goes as a carry to the left. This is how I write it. Clubbing all numbers, I get 6457 as my answer. Finally, let's try out our method to multiply by 11 numbers which have 4 digits or more. I'll drop the graphics here because by now you have understood the steps and show you how to write answers directly. So let's multiply 2036 by 11 first. We write 2 and 6 as the first and last digits of our answer. Make sure you have left ample space in between because we need to sum up the digits in pairs and write in between. So we will sum up the first two digits first. 2 plus 0 is 2. We write 2. The next pair is 0 and 3. We add 0 and 3 and write 3. Next we add 3 and 6 and write 9. So our answer is simply 2, 2, 3, 9, 6. Next we have to multiply 5148 by 11. So first we write the first digit 5 and the last digit 8. And now in between we have to add the digits in pairs and write their sum. So 5 plus 1 is 6, we write 6. 1 plus 4 is 5, we write 5. And 4 plus 8 is 12, so we write 12. Now this is a case of carry. The tens digit of 12 goes as a carry to the left, which is 5. And so our answer is 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5, 6, 6, 2, 8. Now let's try this technique to a 5-digit number. Let's multiply 35072 by 11. So first we write 3, the first digit. We write 2, the last digit. And in between, we need to add the digits in pairs. So 3 plus 5 is 8. We write 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. And finally, 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer is, clubbing all these digits, is simply 385792. Now, it's very important for you to get convinced that the method will always work. Here is the proof. Observe how you multiply a regular 4-digit number, ABCD let's say, by 11. I promise the final result will be a delight for your eyes. So isn't this something that you knew all along? But yeah, we don't really know how to apply it until someone formally teaches us how to do that. Now onwards, I trust you will use the improvised method whenever you need to multiply by 11, isn't it? So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press the like button if you did, and also press the bell icon next to subscribe to get notifications about other such useful content on our channel. You may also visit our website www.ipmdeep.com. Happy learning!